So guys, this is a tortilla. Here I have my bacon, my guacamole, my baked chicken, my spinach, my cabbage, and my cherry tomatoes and the sauce. So let's just go ahead and assemble everything, then I'll show you guys how it looks like. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm gonna grab this, put this here, grab my sauce.
What is 6 plus 1, Mommy?
4.
No.
What is it?
I need to count how many blocks it is. I need to count how many of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7, Mommy.
What is 7?
7. Look. Another 7. Can I see now?
Yeah, I can see it, Papa. Thank you.
6 plus 1 is 7.
6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7, not 4. Thank you.
Mommy, what is 2 plus 1? What is 3 plus 18?
I don't know, Papa. What is it?
Mommy, you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
And don't say anything. Don't say anything. Listen, Mommy.
Okay.
Don't say anything. Okay, Mommy?
Yes, Papa, I'm okay.
I will do my blocks first and it's ready.
It's okay.
Mommy, remember that time in the old house? I hit my head.
Oh, really? Yes, I'm okay.
Ida, Dayo, Mama, Tschüss. Another mother fast. Mommy, the other one is tired than me. Mommy, do you know the other one is tired than you?
That one is taller than me?
Yes.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see is Mommy. I gotta show you him. I gotta show you.
Okay, Papa.
I gotta show you how to one looks. It's locked. See? Look at the word.
It's really tough. So guys, this is the end result. This is what hubby is gonna be having with some cheese, I folded this one and I left this one like this so he can get to do it how he likes it. So yeah, will you be giving this a try? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.
Bye-bye.
Peace out.